Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. Matthews local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire long-distance movers, with us, you get the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Getting the right long-distance movers makes a pretty big difference. Our team of movers will help you relocate faster and easier. Whether you're ready to move to a new state or all the way across the country, we can help you. Are you considering hiring a Kentucky moving company for your local move? Do you want to make sure it's a good decision? When you consider all the work of moving, it's easy to see how a local moving company can help you. 3 Movers will make your local move easier and faster. We save you time and help you get to your new location sooner. Our team can handle most moves, no matter the size, in less than a day or faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Matthews moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.